Hey folks, I'm going to start an experiment today. It's going to probably take a week because it's going to have to be frozen. I want to make I wouldn't say this is a copycat Taco Bell recipe or idea, but I want to use Taco Bell's concept of the enchirito by using these El Monterey signature shredded steak, cheese, and rice burritos for lunch with one of my favorite enchilada sauces. And I'm going to add some refried beans on the side. I'm going to vacuum seal these like I did before in some of the earlier videos. In this case, I have a 2-compartment, a tray. So I'm going to put the enchiritos in one side of the compartments, and on the other, I'm going to put some refried beans. Vacuum seal it, freeze it, and then next weekend, I'm going to take it out in the morning, put it in my Hot Logic electric lunchbox, and see how it fares. Should be an interesting way of, a pretty interesting lunch, pretty good lunch. So let me go put this together, get it in the freezer, and then next time you see me talking like this, I'll be seeing how it turned out. So here's how I'm gonna make it. Let's put together this lunch. Now I got these El Monterey signature. It's shredded beef, rice, and cheese, and these fit perfectly. I think I can get 2 of them in here. Yeah, I just had to kind of move them around a little bit. I'm a big eater at lunchtime, so 2 is fine with me. You can go with 1 if you want. Now I've got some Gebhardt's enchilada sauce. I really like the Gebhardt's enchilada sauce. You just want to pour that on. That's some good stuff. They make a really good chili powder too. Now I'm going to top this with some cheese, a little Fiesta blend. And then I'm going to add some cheese to the refried beans because I like cheese on my refried beans. Yeah, this is a good sized lunch. Okay, let's get this in a vacuum seal bag. I had to go with one of these large bags because this is a pretty good sized container. Yep, it fits perfectly. Now I'm going to vacuum seal this to a point because I don't want to crush the container. So when it gets sealed to where I want it, you hit this, press the button for seal, and it'll stop vacuuming and it will seal it up right there. And just about. Okay, that looks good. So that's sealed plenty. It pulled a lot of the air out, so there won't be any freezer burn or anything. And then once it's sealed, come on, there we go. We're good to go. I'm just gonna get a marker and write the date on this. I can look at it and tell what it is, so I don't need to write what's in it, because I can see. I just like to put the date on there. Into the freezer now, and then I'll have it next week. Okay, it's the night before I'm going to have this. I'm going to take it out of the freezer and put it in the refrigerator overnight, and then in the morning, I'm going to pop it in my little electric lunchbox and have it for lunch. Yep. Okay. Now it's lunchtime. Add it to my little Hot Logic electric lunchbox. This is 9 o'clock in the morning, so probably around 12:30. I'll pull this out and have it for lunch, and we'll see how it turns out. Okay, it's lunchtime. Let's see how it turned out. I got a feeling it's going to be pretty good. It's certainly hot. Let me get this open and we'll try it out. Okay. in keeping with traditional Taco Bell Enchiritos, I went back and looked, and for some reason they would put 3 black olives on it. I don't think they do that in the modern day. Maybe back when they were first introduced they did, because I know I've had this, you know, within the past year or so, and it did not come with 3 black olives, but people seem to make a big deal about that, so I added the black olives. I like black olives. Okay, let's see how this turned out. It's certainly hot. This little electric lunchbox really does the trick. Sauce there. I'm going for another bite. That's really good. I really like that. Yep. These burritos are really good, and smothered with that enchilada sauce, very tasty. This is definitely better than Taco Bell. Let's try these refried beans. Perfect. Perfect. That's a good combo. Definitely a good lunch. I'm going to make up a bunch of these, but I'm going to make my own. I mean, this whole thing I've calculated with the ingredients, with the rice, the beans, the beans, the cheese, and everything. It comes to about $3.50, which is not too bad for, you know, a lunch this size. Definitely can make it cheaper by making my own seasoned ground beef and my own burritos, and make up a bunch of these. I like these 2-compartment trays, so definitely will be making a bunch of these and putting them in the freezer, taking them to work every now and then when I feel like having a Mexican lunch. Sour cream on the side would be perfect for this. Well, there you have it, folks. Thanks for watching.